9, the given fx equals to 6x square plus 4x minus 2 over 2x plus 1 for the domain of x greater than minus half. And we need to find the first derivative function, which is f dash x, which means fx is a fraction, so we can use the quotient rule to differentiate this. So u equals to 6x square plus 4x minus 2, and our u dash will be 12x plus 4. V is equal to 2x plus 1, so v dash will be 2, and f dash x will be vu dash minus uv dash over v square. So that is 2x plus 1 times 12x plus 4 minus 2 into 6x square plus 4x minus 2 divided by 2x plus 1 whole thing square. So f dash x is equal to 24x square plus 8x plus 12x plus 4 minus 12x square minus 8x plus 4 divided by 2x plus 1 whole thing square. So f dash x will be 12x square. 8x and 8x cancels off, so that leaves out with 12x plus 8 divided by 2x plus 1 whole thing square. So this will be the answer for f dash x. So they don't specify into a particular form, so we don't need to factorize this. We can leave this as the final answer. Next, they say the line L is a normal to this curve at point P2, 6. So at P2, 6, dy by dx becomes the gradient m. That is the gradient of the tangent. Let's find m first. So you can say m equals to 12 times 2 square plus 12 times 2 plus 8 over 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 square is 25. So this should give you 16 by 5, which means the gradient of the normal will be minus 1 over m, which is minus 5 over 16. Now, so equation of normal we can find using the formula y minus y1 equals to m1 times x minus x1. So y minus 6 equals to minus 5 over 16 x minus 2. So multiply the whole thing by 16. 16y minus 96 equals minus 5x plus 10. So you get the formula 16y plus 5x is equal to 106. So that is the equation of normal. In part C, they want you to rearrange fx in the form of ax plus b plus d over 2x plus 1. We can use the long division for that. So the polynomial is 6x square plus 4x minus 2 divided by 2x plus 1. Divide this by 6x square by 2x, you get 3x, which is 6x square plus 3x, giving you x minus 2. X divided by 2x is half, so that is x plus half, and the final remainder will be minus 5 by 2. This gives you fx equals to 3x plus half minus 5 by 2 over 2x plus 1. Let's keep the minus sign here. So this is the form which they require us to find this. So that will be the final answer of part C. And the next part, you have the curve meeting the normal like this. So that's line L, that's the curve, that's point P, 2 comma 6, which means this coordinate is 2 and this vertical height is 6. Let me consider this as two different regions. So this one is a right angle triangle and this one would be the area under the curve. So I can consider this as A1, this one as A2, and we need the coordinates of point A and point B. So at A, y equals 0, so which means fx is equal to 0. So take the equation of fx, 6x squared plus 4x minus 2 divided by 2x plus 1 equals 0, which means the numerator should be equal to 0. So this gives you 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. So 3x squared plus 3x minus x minus 1 equals 0. Factorize this and you would get 3x minus 1 into x plus 1 equals 0. So x equals 1/3 or x is minus 1. You can't have x equals minus 1 because the domain of x is greater than minus half. So this should be the coordinate, x coordinate of point A. So A will be 1/3 comma 0. Similarly, at point B, also y equals 0. So 16y plus 5x is 106. So x will be 106 over 5, which means B is 106 over 5 comma 0. So that's the coordinates of B. Let's find the area under the curve. So A1 would be 1/3 to 2 fx dx, which is 1/3 to 2. Considering the equation of fx, we can substitute 3x plus half minus 5 over 2 times 1 over 2x plus 1 dx. So that should give you a1 equals to integral 3x plus half minus 5 over 4x plus 2 dx, and the integral of this would be 3x squared by 2 plus x by 2 minus 5 ln 4x plus 2 over 4 with the limits of 1/3 to 2. Let's substitute the value of 2 first. So that will be 6 plus 1 minus 5 by 4 ln 10, and minus, we can say 1/3 square is 1093 is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 minus 5 by 4 ln 10 by 3. So let's double check that once again. So we should get 4 into 1/3, which is 4 by 3 plus 2, and that's 10 by 3. So let's expand this now. A1 is 7 minus 5 by 4 ln 10 minus 1 over 6. 1 over 6 is 1 over 3 and plus 5 by 4 ln 10 by 3. So let's take this now. A1 would be 20 by 3 plus the let's take the minus sign out. Minus 5 by 4 ln 10 over 10 by 3. Final answer, and we have a 7. Yeah, so 20 by 3 minus 5 by 4 ln3. That's the equation number 1. Area 2 is the area of the triangle, and that would be half times 106 over 5 minus 2 multiplied by 6, which is the vertical height. And let's find that one. So that should be 288 by 5. So the total area is A1 plus A2, which is 20 by 3 minus 5 by 4 ln 3 plus 288 by 5. Let's add the two numbers, the fractions. This should be 964 over 15 minus 5 by 4 ln 3 as the final answer.